back, and I'm going to teach you a new lesson today. I'm going to be making a volcano. You'll need a half of a cup of vinegar and soap, and you'll need a half of a glass of water, and you will need a spoon and a plate and a cup and some glitter and some food coloring and some baking soda. Put the fourth of cup of baking soda in the cup. Then add some glitter. I'm going to add a lot of glitter because I like glitter. Put some vinegar into the water. And then put some dish soap in. And then mix it. Add some food coloring and mix it again. How much dots you want? I'll do 3. You put the liquid into the baking soda and you watch it erupt. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Whoa. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bye.